So you guys, I have 2 more colors, 2 more lip kits. I really want to release them next week. You tell me, should I release them next week for 4th of July so you get them in time? Or should I wait? Is it too much? They are really, really fun shades. I actually have them right here, but they're gonna be exclusive. Okay, everyone wants me to release them, so I think I'm gonna probably do it next Friday and show you guys before that.
Snapchat is here, Kylie. I mean, it's me, Kylie, and Leon. And we're here. It's me, Kylie, and Leon. And we're here.
Become so distant, like I'm the one to blame and you're innocent. I tried to make I tried not to think about you. What can I say? Every time I get near, I want that old thing that I bring you to.